What's up guys, today we have the Reimagined Air Jordan 3 white cements. Let's check them out. Jumping into the box, we have your classic Air Jordan box with the elephant print on the bottom with the black top. Since this is a reimagined pair, we have the distressing all around the box, which will translate later into the sneakers as well. Jumping into the design and materials of the sneaker, we have your classic Air Jordan 3 silhouette in the white cement colorway. With this being a reimagined pair, there are subtle differences between this pair and the OG pair, but ultimately they kept true to the styling, keeping the Nike Air in the back tab as well as other elements along the sneaker. Honestly, the only difference is going to be that aged midsole, that eggshell off-white colored midsole, and the box. But other than that, everything else is pretty true to the original Air Jordan 3. In terms of materials, I felt that this sneaker was pretty solid, the leather quality was good, and the overall construction was pretty good as well. I've heard from other people that their quality control in their sneakers was not so great, having misprinted elephant print and scuffs around the midsole. So I guess it really depends on what pair you get in, but for me, luckily, my pair was pretty solid. Throwing these on feet, I went true to size, which is size 7.5 men's for me. Overall, they felt pretty solid. You have the Air unit under your foot, giving you that extra cushion, as well as padding around the ankle and heel area. So overall, pretty solid sneaker in terms of comfort. So jumping into the fit, I went pretty simple with a pair of black pants, a gray Nike hoodie, and a khaki polo outerwear, along with a black Nike hat that I made. Overall, I think the color scheme is pretty solid, pretty minimal. I do like how all the colors kind of come together with the sneaker and the khaki matching the white as well as the black and the gray. Overall, I think the fit is pretty solid. Definitely a good spring fit as the weather kind of warms up a bit, but also not super freezing. So overall, solid fit. What's up guys, thanks for checking out my latest flash review of the Air Jordan 3 white cement. If you liked the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe as well. I'll be sure to post the music and the fits in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. And leave a comment, let me know what you guys think of the sneakers. Did you cop or did you drop? And I guess what kind of content you want to see from me next. And with that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.